Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the TD Bank app network or connection error. A connection or a network error in the TD Bank app usually means the app cannot reach TD Bank servers. First, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. Then, turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds before turning it back off. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then, disable any VPN or proxy services that are running on your phone. Next, swipe off from the bottom of your screen, close the TD Bank app completely, then restart your phone. After that, only open the app again. Now, make sure the app is fully updated from the App Store. Head over to your App Store, search for TD Bank app, and then update the app from over there. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so make sure to update it. After fixing the connection, TD Bank app should connect normally, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick